Hello everyone! In this tutorial I will show you how to make a gradient background using the free version of Canva. When you're logged into Canva, you will land on this page. Click on Create Design in the top right corner and select your desired design type. I'm opting for a thumbnail design because I will be making my thumbnail after explaining this video. Well, your blank canvas appears, head to the Elements tab and search for gradients. Choose Graphics and click on See All. Why graphics? Because you can change their colors easily, and the next thing to do is select a gradient that catches your eye. Now you can adjust the gradient size to fit your canvas by dragging it. You can also customize the colors using the color sliders, and for my example I'm changing one color to red, other to pink and the other to orange. You can easily flip the gradients if you want, and then you can use this as a background or for other designs. You can also use this method. I will delete the graphic image and then click on your white canvas and select the gradient color. Add another color or keep it as it is, and that's also possible. Choose the colors you want to use for your background. I go for red, pink and orange again, and then you will have your background design. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and consider subscribing.